Hello everybody, got another piece of equipment to add to the stereo of my van. Actually, I'm replacing one of them in there. One of my 15s got damaged when I was in Florida. When I was moving the box around, I accidentally dropped it. So I've been running only 115 for a little while. So I just bought another one, the Rockford Fosgate. Don't drop it. Rockford Fosgate P3 15. Just another chair under here just in case. Just a little quick video showing it off. And of course, they have some more powerful ones, but this one's still pretty good. Pull out the phone. Manual. Yeah. And this is the 2-ohm DVC one. Let's take this bag off of here. Now it's sealed, so let's just do this. Got there for now. Still quite a beefy sub. 600 watts RMS, 1200 max. And like I said, this actually makes my third one because I've got two in the van, but one of them's not working. It's just covering the hole in the box. So I'll probably take it out, put this one in place, and then probably see if I can figure out how to repair the third one or do something with it. But either way, like I said, nothing major, just Rockford Fosgate P3 15. I just wanted to kind of show it off and for anyone that's actually watching this. And like I said, there's other accessories, got the trim ring and everything else that's in it. But I just thought I could do a quick view of the sub. But alright, have a good one.